If you want to switch from Gemini to Google Assistant on Google Pixel 10a, we have two ways that allow you to do so. So the first method is to go to the Gemini app. If you have the Gemini app, you can just open it, tap on your Google profile in here in the upper right corner, and then you can find Switch to Google Assistant. If you go over here, you can just choose Google Assistant, and that is pretty much it. In case you do not have the Gemini app, and if you don't want to download it from the Play Store, because if you don't have it, you can download it from the Play Store for free. But also you can just open settings, go to your Google account in here, switch to all services, and then scroll down in order to find Search Assistant and Voice. Now over here we're gonna go to Google Assistant, for example, and you should be able to go to Digital Assistants from Google, and then you can switch from the Gemini to Google Assistant, or instead of choosing Google Assistant you can also choose Gemini, and then in here we can also find Digital Assistants from Google, and you can do exactly the same thing. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.